Good morning from Hawaii. How do you do? It's another beautiful day here. Sun is getting up about 7:30 or so. Little clouds, but pretty soon we're gonna have another beach day. And you are looking at 2019 Mini Cooper S, brand new, my wife's car. She just got it. And that is the beauty and the beast. The beauty is from the Solaris orange color, and the beast is actually when you use the tuning kit, the John Cooper Works tuning kit, JCW, WW, whatever. And guess what? On my left hand, I have keys. Should we try it? Let's fire up this baby. Let's see if this is a beast like they say. Okay, bear with me. Okay, hopefully it's running. What do you think? Sounds pretty good, right? Pretty good in my opinion. So there we go. Ready for spin? Actually at this time I'll just show you how it's inside. You wanna see inside? Let's go. Okay, here we go. The first thing you notice are those pedals, right? So this is old-fashioned stick shift, 6-speed manual right there. No paddle shift. That's a toy. Only sissies use that. Real men use the stick shift. Okay, so what we have here, we got a big screen, touch screen, a navigation system, and so forth. There's premium sound in the car, inside, outside premium sound. Heads-up display, the typical Mini speedometer, gas gates, and the RPM. And this car, actually, she took it with the malt brown leather. Like they say, can you smell? Oh, that smell. Can't you smell the smell? I can. It almost reminds me of the old smokehouses, whiskey and the cigars. And actually, with this option, they give you a bottle of malt whiskey and also some cigars to go with it. So, look, you buy that, you get some cigars. Do you see it? Right there. How is that? Just kidding. I don't smoke. I hate smoking and drinking. Maybe not drinking so much, but smoking, I don't smoke. So this is just a toy, or actually a little auto toilet. See, ooh, right there, Tommy Bahamas. So what else? It has all the typical things with Mini. This got the black interior. And it's ready for spin. I don't want to hit the gas too much right now, but it would give you good pops. But on the road with the track mode on, here it is, the secret. That little Bluetooth button that gives you the track mode. You're not supposed to, use it on the street, but hey, once in a while you gotta try. And it says all there, racing is in our blood. Okay, I think so. I'm very excited. I've been driving this for a little while, a couple of days now, and oh boy, that manual is really kicks in once you hit some gas and have that sport mode on. Okay, I think so. I don't want to wake up the neighbors yet, so I'll take this for a spin a little bit later, hit the gas, and off the road or on the road we go. Have a good day. Okay, bye.